In this video, I'm going to show you guys an easy trick to find high-paying customers on a repeat basis that will spend hundreds, if not thousands, on your Shopify stores. If you're new to the channel, my name's Alex. I make e-com and investing videos, so go ahead and click that subscribe button down below to keep up to date with everything, and let's get started. Okay, so like I said, this trick is going to find high-paying customers that keep coming back to your guys' stores. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the step-by-step process of how to do this, some industry examples, and a specific case study of my own when I actually use this strategy. So let's get started. The step-by-step process of this, essentially, this is going to require you guys to go out on a sales call, but no worries there. You guys are going to be doing this directly through email so you guys can draft your responses beforehand. You always want to use the atyourwebsite.com emails such as support@your-website, sales@your-website, info@your-website, as long as you bought the domain name for that. But you never want to use Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, or any of those because you want to come off in a professional manner using your own business information. You're going to want to be warm, friendly, and directly to the point, but where exactly am I going with all of this and who are you reaching out to? Related to your industry, you guys want to find business contacts that could be potential clients. You want to find the contact info of owners, purchasing managers, sales directors, or anybody in a position to buy items from your store. Examples of this include businesses, clubs, schools, organizations, or communities. Let's talk more about this with some industry examples. Some examples of this are selling camera equipment to a local photographer if that's your industry, but you want to sell items that aren't sold in stores. So you don't exactly want to go out and sell a generic camera bag that can be found at your local Walmart, but more so specialty items found on AliExpress or wherever that can help them solve a problem or just shoot some really cool shots. Along with that are fishing bags to outdoor stores or local fishing clubs. Same thing there. You want a bag that serves a purpose, not something generic that you can just go out and find at your local Bass Pro Shop. Bug zappers to an outdoor dining venue. That makes a lot of sense there. Reusable straws to a local coffee shop. And with this example, they can actually use them for their customer base or go out and resell them. Okay, so let's talk about a specific time that I used this strategy on one of my own stores, and then I'll guide you through drafting your own sales pitch and show you a sample email to wrap everything up. So my specific case study right here. I had started a COVID-themed merch store at the beginning of the pandemic just for fun. I sold merch such as COVID Ruined My Birthday shirts, social distancing hats and mugs, and everything else in between. So you guys can see right here, I threw in this little picture example. I took a screenshot from the print-on-demand service I used. I believe it was Printful, but this was the best-selling hoodie that we had right here. I scaled that up pretty high, and then I eventually shut down the store and moved on. So with this specific example, I reached out to many local coffee shops around my state and offered a discount on a bulk order of mugs. So in this example, let's say I reached out to 100. I did secure a deal with 7 of those coffee shops for a 7% response or purchase rate. So in this example, I really did secure a deal with 7 shops, but I don't know how many emails I sent. I do believe it to be around 100. I did sell 50 units of the social distancing mugs to each shop, with an exception of 25 mugs to one shop for a total of 325 units sold. This did take place at the peak of summer when places began to reopen, so I didn't just go out and pitch my sales to all of these businesses as they were shutting down and hurting and closing their doors, but more so when they are reopening and starting to see more success and people wanting to get out of the house and return to their normal lives. Okay, so let's talk about your own sales pitches. As mentioned, you're gonna want to be warm, friendly, but to the point in order to pitch your sale. So you want to include a form of social proof, such as "we work with many blank like you." So as I mentioned in my emails, I said we work with many local coffee shops just like you, and that's just a form of social proof. You want to offer a bulk quantity discount and fast shipping if possible. So if you're shipping from China, you really shouldn't be doing this. Otherwise, you're just going to irritate people. But if you guys have a good logistics system in place and you guys can guarantee fast shipping, that is a really good factor to mention. You want to include your name, number, and position in your company, such as sales director, founder, customer service. You guys can be creative with that, but you just want to establish a sense of dominance in your company. Draft a contract if necessary. So when resale is involved, you always want to draft a contract for the different terms and everything else involved. And then offer a free sample. This can result in a lifetime of sales. So if somebody's on the fence with this, you can offer them a free sample to get the ball rolling, and essentially if they like your product, they'll buy more from you in the future and they can be a repeat customer if you do everything right. and keep at it until you find a high quality lead. All it takes is one. So you guys might get 99 no's on the 100 emails you sent, but that one yes is all that matters. Okay, so let's go through a sample email of what I would be writing to a local business if I wanted to do this strategy right now. So this is a sample email, marketing mugs to cafes. This is not the email that I use. Unfortunately, I cannot find the original email that I sent in June or July, but I did draft a little sample email right here to highlight the content and context of your email, just to show you how to keep it friendly and direct. So right here on the subject line, you do want to write an appealing subject such as boost your cafe visits overnight using our humorous trendy mugs, and then emojis actually boost the opening rate of emails. There's some research done about that, but I won't go into all that. So anyways, hi there, my name is Alexander. I'm the marketing director for Trendy Mugs brand. We service many coffee shops around the country, big and small, and providing our trendy mugs to add a sense of humor in a time where you could use it most. In fact, our latest client had reported a surge in sales of 230% after posting our mugs on their website and having it go viral. What's so special about coffee mugs, you might ask? See for yourself at our website. So I threw in the social proof talking about our latest client and their surge in sales. So I'm really just pitching my sale there, and then I go on to say, we offer many designs related to our current living conditions in order to bring a smile to each and every of our customers' faces. We offer designs from social distancing to wash your effing hands, although that specific one may not suit your shop too well. So you want to throw in some humor, like I said, warm and friendly. And then you can purchase some of our mugs to service your coffee shop or resell them if you wish. They're sure to bring some joy in dark times. As a special bonus, we'll offer you a significant discount on your first order. Most of our clients start out by ordering a bulk shipment of 50 mugs at a 50% discount, but we're willing to extend it to 65% if you're interested in ordering by tomorrow evening. I'm sorry, I cannot read this right now. It's just so small, I'm struggling, but not sure yet. We'll be happy to send you a free sample of our product to try out yourself before making such a big commitment. Be sure to check out our website and social media pages to see what others are saying about us. If you would like to learn more, I'd be happy to take a call from you at my number or my email. I love what you're doing with your shop, and I look forward to hearing back from you. Kind regards, my name with Trendy Mugs. So I included everything else that we went over in this PowerPoint. I kept it warm, friendly, directly to the point, and I pitched on my sale with some social proof and some good marketing points in there. Now, I don't know if this is the exact email that I would be sending if I was in this example, but this is something that I wrote up really quickly to just highlight the main points that you guys want to get across. I hope this video was able to help you guys out. If you guys need any help generating leads or typing up your sales pitch or anything like that, go ahead and reach out to me and I'll do the best I can. If this video helped you out in any way, go ahead and drop a like below to help me out. Subscribe, as there's plenty more to follow. If you guys are interested, I have 2 Ecommerce resources linked in the description below. You're welcome to check out either one of those. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.